Hi, I'm Marlon, and this is the Fighting Against Death mini P-bass guitar that I built from a fretwire kit. As you can see, there's a decal there that my daughter created, and I've made several modifications to this guitar. And what we'll do, and I'll show you in the video how I made the guitar, and then at the end I'll demonstrate what it sounds like. So keep on watching.
The mini P-bass kit was unboxed. The replacement parts and components were examined. The pickups and the pickguard were removed from the body. A template was used to mark the headstock. The headstock was then cut with a jigsaw, and a Dremel tool was used to clean it up. The body cavities and the neck were covered with blue painter tape. The body and neck were sanded using number 60, number 120, number 220, and number 320 sanding blocks. Six coats of Tru-oil finish were applied to the neck and body. The decals were created using inkjet decal paper and treated with 7 coats of Krylon gloss crystal clear.
Decals were cut out and placed on the guitar. Six coats of crystal clear lacquer were applied to the decals. The nut was replaced by a black tusk replacement nut. Number 40 steel wool was used to polish the frets. Replacement tuning machines were installed using a drill and a Dremel tool to get them to fit. The original electronic components were removed from the pickguard along with the original pickups. A new wiring harness was installed and the pickups were soldered to the new wiring harness. The pickguard was put in place and the replacement bridge was installed with the ground wire. The pickups were tested using a screwdriver and an amplifier. Pickguard was then screwed into place. Blue painter tape was applied to the neck and the fret ends were filed. A hole was drilled and the string tree was screwed into place. The neck was attached to the body using 4 large screws. Holes were drilled and the strap locks were put into place. The guitar was strung with short bass guitar strings. The guitar was then sent to a guitar technician for setup and intonation. This is how the finished guitar looks. Okay, I've got the guitar hooked up to my Fender bass amp. Now let me show you how this guitar sounds. Anyway, that's the way it sounds. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Until next time.